crush this guy. Let's get it. Let's have a good time tonight. Come on. Let's go. Tired of it. $46.31. Let's get it. I didn't need to use him for pounding, but we'll take it. We'll take it. One hitter quitter all day, every day. Let's get it. Come on. Toasted him. Switch. Going with Pidgeot to 31. Let's get it. Come on. It's over. No chance for this loser. 31 versus 31. I'm super strong against him. Nice, nice. It's over. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's done. Quick attack this guy and toast him. Yeah, but he's going to get it too, so definitely quick attack will take him out, man. Never mind. I'm going to have to do wing attack again. It's all right. 2 down. Let's get it. Come on. Have a good day. Nice. It's beautiful, man. Not yet. No, we're going to run Pidgeot on him. Go. Do. Get some damage off of him. The damage. Take it. It's 11. If I get one more quick attack on him, it's over. I got Leech Life. It's okay. I didn't know that it goes through all out the whole entire Pokemon. 46. He's done. Grab hammer. Let's get it. Not even close. Beautiful. Ooh. Crawdaunt. I think Gardevoir knows Magic Leaf, right? And it's a 32 now. I got wait. See, we have a Gardevoir now. Curl evolved to a Gardevoir. Doesn't have Magic Leaf. This guy's toasted. I think he has Magic Leaf, or she. Yeah, so definitely be faster than this loser. Nice, nice. Stay up. How? You know, yeah, it's a priority move that makes sense. But Gardevoir did its thing. We're going to go with Slowpoke to get a level up. It's done. Sandtorp's going to take him out. Sludge it. Oh, God. Stay up, brother. Nice. It's okay. Sludge it. Get it. See ya. Nice. Slowpoke. 1603. Let's get it. Absol. I didn't know he had Absol. Oh, yeah. He's going to crush me. But I do have Kingler left. Right. Kingler's at full health. We got Leaping Gligar. So it's over, in my opinion. I think it's a normal type. Let's see what we can do against him. Agent Power it. The damage. I'll take it. Nice, dude. Bow, bow, bow. . Beautiful. Level me up. Say Umbreon. Now we're good. And I got 3 guys. I'm not worrying about Umbreon. I'm not. Nice. See you later, alligator. I guessed on that. I had a feeling that bug would crush him. Yep. Bow, 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 bow. It's over. It's over for you, Umbreon. Yeah, that Sandstorm's gonna knock out Umbreon. Let's get it. Nice. 2005, 2025 is our year. Let's get it. Toasted him, man. Yeah. See ya. What do I have here? TM. They're all TMs. Black glasses. Never mind. Not all. That's good. And the black ballot's beautiful. I gotta see what these moves are, though. I gotta give him a berry or he's gonna get crushed. What moves do I have? Let's see.